cold, so I'm gonna go. I want to take a dip. Exactly. Yes. What is saying, guys? It's the Vincent. Welcome back to my channel. The new hair. So guys, I have a little cold. I'm gonna go sap at the seawater, but I'm gonna taste some Caroline from my neighbor. Caroline, right? You? So guys, I got my Cersei. So in Vincy, they call it Caroline, but I know in Jamaica they call it Cersei. So I'm gonna show you how we do our soak, our sap. Well, yeah guys, so I'm at the beach. I'm at the beach right now. As you guys can hear, I'm very sick. But anyways guys, so today I finally got a rental. So you know, you girl outside every day like Domat. So I'm gonna go take my cousin, one of my family is here from Canada. So I'm gonna go take them to that view. I hope we make it to that view. That view on the beach. But I have to run in town first and print some stuff for work. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna just show you guys how in Vincy we do this. When you're sick, they call it a seawater sap. Take some Caroline, or as Jamaicans call it Cersei, let me know what they call it in your country, and you just sap yourself. So I'll show you guys. But yeah guys, so seawater sap is you just stick in the bush, stick in the bush. The Caribbean is so nice. You have your medicine anyway. Like, I don't think these people realize how blessed them be. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go. Got my father waiting for me and he's a very impatient man. Usually you're supposed to wet your head, but me have cold, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take a dip. I don't like this beach because it's always dirty, yo. Like, it's always so dirty. Debbie, stop pumping your junk all the way into the Camel Park beach, please. Guys, I gotta go. My dad is coming and he's ready. Okay guys, now I'm at Chateau stop and chat to this food place. I'm hungry. I don't really eat. I may have some drink or some soup water, so I get some food, guys, and then go back on the road. So guys, say hi to my cousin. This is his girl. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. So we're getting food, guys, because I'm hungry. This is the place. Beachfront restaurant and bar. Oh, I should set up my drone, guys, but I hope time. The chateau, guys. Chicken roti. I'll try it now. I like how it's fresh too. Ooh. Guys, bayfly. Bayfly. And it's roti. Very potato, but guys, a lot of meat. 2 chicken and my girl. Barely potato though. Guys, sad news. We came too late. They closed. They closed 4:30. It's 14. It's 4:09 right now. That makes sense. We pay $5 for go up there and. You could ask a video. We go over there, please.
Man, that easy. You do that for your YouTube channel?
Yes.
Yeah. I know me see you.
Vincy Jemz. Okay, guys. So we here. We'll take a quick bait. Oh, them sending man after me. The man coming.
Man, born the man me. Them the for glad people are come record for pushy fucking thing for country. Careful, careful.
Ooh, guys. Yeah, he not okay. He just... Mistress Vex? Huh? I said Mistress Vex. Got you.
You already then, you know, make enough money for this.
Exactly. Hello, good day.
Hello. Bamboo, bamboo.
Bamboo, guys. What we do? Fair enough. Hey guys, so we are at that. Oh, people are still here. So I pitch up there? 95. Yeah. Cool. Oh, exactly. And the feel long around too. Yeah. This will definitely get you sick. Guys, it's too cold. I'm not getting in the water there because I'm done sick already. I'm not able. Yeah guys, sadly I cannot go to the second part. We don't have that much time. The lady cannot give up like she comes. So enjoy! I'm afraid of heights, Anna. Yeah, I'm scared of heights. I'm crossing this. Huh? Do you lock the gate? Oh shit! Guys, the lady is gonna lock the gate. She's being salty. That's it. So I'm at Chomaka Bottom right now. Or they call it Paradise Beach, guys. It's really nice beach. I have to do a cook up here. Actually, maybe my next video, guys, I'll be cooking here. And then they have some people over there. It's like it's fishing, guys. Guys, I'm gonna take a dip in the water. Oh, guys, the water's so nice. When the water's so blue. All like.
I remember one time. This must be every day.
Exactly, guys. I'm telling you, man. That's why when COVID I came home, yo. I'm like, fuck that, yo. I have money, because I was getting... Nice, nice.
In November, we barely go.
True that, true that. Exactly. Oh, my beach. It's the water. Guys, paradise. Ooh, paradise, guys. But yeah guys, so we're gonna go meet the rest people then we're waiting for the whole day. They are at table at Gormont, so we're gonna go meet them. Let's enjoy the beach, you know. Where the waters. Yeah. That's gonna make people laugh. Yeah, and I know that's coming from home too. And I was there the other day, I was there Sunday, and I was like, was it close to the sand, older than this, and I was full. I got a cold so. Next time we look at it, I know, I thought that was the case. Right? I think money for this environment. Hey guys, but this is called Paradise Beach, guys. Very nice beach, like really nice. Nice. Guys, I don't want to leave Vincy. Please donate to my PayPal. Help keep my channel, guys. You know, guys, donate to my channel, guys. Donate to the PayPal. Help the channel to grow, guys. I can bring you guys great content like this. I feel like I'm gonna fly my drone. I'm not gonna send my drone up, guys. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Hold on. Yeah, man. Shallow, man. Oh, whoa! Yeah. It just like drastically go down, guys. I'm not going nowhere. Hey, guys, this is Paradise Beach. Really nice. Yeah. Love you, do. I'm in paradise. Guys, there's fishes. See the water? Yeah, boy. Me feel like I come down here only Thursday. Because it's down here too nice. This beach is nice, man. Yeah, that's why I plan.
Yes, we're seeing this one. Talk to them, tell them good afternoon, good morning, good night, everything. You know what they say. They don't know good afternoon is good evening.